Welcome to the 2021 Quarter 1 and Quarter 2 Academic Awards.
Introducing Team 6-1, Miss Schnatterbeck, Mrs. Copeland, Mrs. Hogan, Mrs. Howard.
Come on, guys, hurry up. We're going to be late. Quarter 1, Academic Excellence. Anaya Clay, Darian Griffin, Autumn Leonard, Jamarcus Moore, Marissa Smith, and Imani Washington.
Quarter 1 Honor Roll, Denia Atwater, Kyra Fruits, Brianna Green, Deasia Griffin, Christina Johnson, Justin McKenzie, Jaden Richardson, Skylar Stewart, Mason Swain, and Deanna Williams.
Quarter 1 Merit Roll, Elise Beckles-Likes, Crystal Bell, Tanaya Franklin, Tanya Green, Malaya Robinson, Malia Sankey, and Noah Vaughn.
Quarter 2 Academic Excellence, Denia Atwater, Elise Beckles-Likes, Anaya Clay, Brianna Green, Autumn Leonard, Justin McKenzie, Michaela Moore, Mason Swain, and Diana Williams.
Quarter 2 Honor Roll, Crystal Bell, Janari Brown, Kyra Fruits, Tanaya Franklin, Deasia Griffin, Darian Griffin, Myasia Jordan, Ariel Malone, Jamarcus Moore, Jaden Richardson, Malia Sankey, Marissa Smith, Skylar Stewart, Imani Washington, and Noah Vaughn.
Quarter 2 Merit Roll, Christina Johnson, Dejanay Tier, Celia Bruce, Brian Dillard, Sienna Wilkes, Zion Kenner, Samari McGee, and Amari Winters.
Congratulations! We are so proud of you!